He just stood there. Oh my god. Move. Oh jeez. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Officer, what are you doing? What are you doing, step officer? Oh my god. Let me hide this, just in case. I don't know, right here? That won't make much difference, but oh well. Actually, since I'm here... Oh, I'm a terrible person. I'm not gonna.
No olvides, graciosa. ¡Deja de moverte, maldita sea! ¡Me pones nervioso!
This guy trying to get in the way. Oh my god! Oh wow! Let's name it now. Two-way street. So much. Oh, that's terrible. To the sword shop. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, I was right. Well, I barely remembered. But what about the ferry? Big mommy milker. He said boy. Oh, he said it again. They're just holding it. That's the funniest thing I've seen. They're not even doing it. I was waiting for him to die or something, but they're just there. Oh! Dang! That took a long time. That last one you just said. But you know what?
Especial na agenda hoje?
É, tem a inauguração da sua retrospectiva no Museu de Arte Moderna. O diretor da galeria deixou 4 mensagens pedindo para confirmar sua presença.
Eu ainda não decidi.
Dang.
Vamos decidir mais tarde.
How do we get to this point?
Só mensagens de fãs. Eu já respondi.
Oh, there's no gift. Take it. Yeah. Oh, heck yeah. This is what I was looking for. Okay, so that's how. Oh, that's legit. Oh yeah, that's cool. Whee. Oh, that's so cool. I missed this. No. What? What? He was clearly. Oh my god. He was facing the other way.
El mundo está sobrecargado. Creo que estás totalmente calificado para este tipo de investigación.
¡Pura mierda! La verdad es que nadie
Oh,
quiere
I
investigar
learned a
esos
new word.
malditos androides y a mí me cae toda la basura.
Bola mierda.
CyberLife envió un androide para que ayude con la investigación. Un prototipo de última tecnología. Será tu compañero.
No salgas con eso. No necesito un compañero y menos esa basura plástica.
Hank, estás comenzando a fastidiarme. Eres teniente de policía. Se supone que debes hacer lo que te diga y mantener esa boca cerrada.
¿Sabes qué peligrosa hay en esta boca para ti?
Ok,
¿Eh?
ok. Haré como que no escuché eso. Para no tener que añadir más hojas a tu expediente disciplinario. Porque esto ya parece una estúpida novela. Esta conversación...
The android threw the chair.
androide chutou a cadeira.
Ok.
He doesn't.
Acabou minha cota de asneiras por hoje. Tem um assassino à solta, eu tô perdendo tempo ouvindo um android. Vou embora.
Mission failed. Oh my god. Bum Street. What's a hobo? Hobo. Hobo Avenue. Oh my god. What a lip. What's your address? 123 Hobo Avenue. Oh my god. Oh, that's terrible. Two. Oh my god. I crack myself up. Hello. I'd like to order your finest in your register. Oh wait, there's another one right there. just drive up a little. This place is full, but they won't see. See, they didn't even know. Oh yeah, I'm the perfect criminal. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh. Dang. Dang.
Você é um merda. Não sei o que me impede de acabar com você.
Seu senso de dever, tenente. E o custo dos reparos, se você me identificar. Para sua informação, custa uma pequena fortuna.
I know.
Belas tecnologias.
It feels kind of wrong now.
Conseguem até programar cretinos agora.
They can program assholes.
Vou nessa. O dever me chama.
Oh dang. It's that kind of playthrough.
Booyah!
Come on, spit it out.
So, ever a boyfriend?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I said the same thing Violet
Perfectly
did.
valid question.
Well, actually, what kind of rock? Like hard rock? Oh, I didn't expect that.
Leave him be.
Just push the guy. There's dang. Oh snap! He's not even looking. This is cool. I'm pressing the touchpad. That's cool. We got freaking Mozart over here.
Residents should seek shelter immediately if any is available.
Where? I see no such thing. Oh, sit down. Hey, we made room for you at the table so you can sit next to me or Monica. I'll get the cupcakes. I made them. I'll get them. Sorry, I got a little too excited. Watch him get blown up. Oh.
Whoa.
What?
Easy there.
You're out of bed. You're walking.
What?
And you have wood arm
What?
legs.
Crutches.
Oh my god, they played with me.
Found your hat.
Oh my god. Oh, this is great. Oh man. Oh my god. Mommy, Daddy, I'm scared. Ah. We're with you, Marcus.
Estamos contigo.
Te seguiré,
Contigo.
Estoy contigo, Marcus.
Estamos contigo.
Te seguiré, Marcus.
Oh,
Estoy contigo.
wow. You are fancy.
Entonces sigan.
Why did he inhale like that?
Marcus, ¿qué estás haciendo?
He was like, it's over. That's the Star Wars game. Because from what oh dang it. From what I've seen. Changing the story. Freaking media. Marcus, what? What? I was pacifist, like... What? Pacifist message. Pacifist message. Violent. What? What? That is ridiculous. I was 20% violent. I don't really know anything about the role. In fact, I don't even know if you're a boy or a girl. What if I were a girl, huh? Doesn't. Oh wow, she goes. She goes both ways. Yes. We finally have a mask. And I got no chart. Yes, we have a mask. Thank you. That's how I say thank you for a mask. I didn't know. Oh, that's a perfect way to end it.